What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to replace a single vinyl plank in your flooring. So what happened here was we purchased our house a couple years ago, and when we moved in we discovered that there was a burn hole from a candle that had fallen over on one of the tiles. So today I want to go ahead and replace a single tile as opposed to ripping up the entire floor. And my goal here today is to explain it to you very quick so you don't have to watch somebody else's video that takes 20 minutes to explain it to you. So here we go. Here's the burn hole right here, and the tile that we want to replace, it comes this way. So what I'm going to do using a utility knife is cut and score a line straight down through the tile the whole way down, and then on an angle on both sides like that, and we're going to try to rip this tile out of here. What I'm doing now, just to speed it up, is take a screwdriver and hammer and try to chisel it out. Okay, you can see it's ready to come up. I was careful. You can see there's a white layer of fabric underneath there for cushion. So just careful not to rip that up, but it looks like it's coming out here now. So try to pop it out. All right, let's go ahead and sweep it up now. Okay, next step. So in order for it to pop in place, we're going to have to trim 3 sides off of the towel here. So I'm going to keep the longest, the widest part of the towel on to act for more leverage. So I'm going to go ahead and trim that side off, this side off, and that. Okay, I think I'm pretty close. You want to test it here. You're going to need one of these, some type of a block, in order to hit it in. What I'm going to do is put glue, Gorilla Glue, on this bead on this side here. You don't need anything on that side because it's going to be latched in. Also probably put it on the side, both sides as well. It's falling pretty well in place there. There we go. Just put it down in. Nice. Very nice. All right, there you have it. Another DIY, do-it-yourself in the books. Cost me $0 to do that.